Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sunita Meena, Assistant Professor in English. Uh, in today's video, we are going to discuss a literary term, soliloquy. Soliloquy is the act of talking to oneself, whether silently or aloud. In drama, it denotes the convention by which a character alone on stage utters his or her thoughts aloud. Playwrights have used this device as a convenient way to convey information about a character's motives and state of mind, or for purposes of exposition and sometimes in order to guide the judgments, responses of the audiences. Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Faustus opens with a long expository soliloquy and concludes with another which expresses Faustus' frantic mental and emotional state during his belated attempts to evade damnation. The best known of dramatic soliloquies is Hamlet's speech, which begins, "To be or not to be." A related stage device is the aside, in which a character expresses to the audience his or her thought or intention in a short speech, which by convention is inaudible to the other characters on the stage. Both devices, common in Elizabethan and later drama, were largely rejected by dramatists in the later 19th century. When the increasing requirement that plays convey the illusion of real life impelled writers to exploit indirect means for revealing a character's state of mind and for conveying exposition and guidance to the audience. O'Connell, however, revived and extended the soliloquy and aside and made them basic devices throughout his play Strange Interlude. Here in this picture, first picture shows soliloquy. Soliloquy is a lengthy speech given to oneself when alone. Second picture depicts monologue, a lengthy speech in the presence of co-performers. To be or not to be, that is the question. This speech from Hamlet is arguably the most popular example of a soliloquy. We can compare aside, monologue and soliloquy. Aside is what it is usually short comment by one character towards the audience. The other characters on stage do not hear the comment, but the audience does. What is monologue? Monologue, a speech where one character addresses other characters. The other characters are aware and hear the speech. What is soliloquy? A character speaks to himself or herself, relating thoughts and feelings, and in doing so also shares them with the audience. Other characters are not aware of what is being said, but the audience does. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sunita Meena, Assistant Professor from Government College, Pokhran. I have joined this FTP program on 11th Feb, and I have found that this program I found this program to be highly relevant to anyone involved in online teaching and looking to enhance their online teaching skills. This program improve our ability to engage students and understand the value of different online tools and websites. I found the instructors were experts who explained the concept with easy to understand videos and clear instructions. The program is designed to impart some values that are essential for life so that we could not only become good employees or teachers but also a person, and when the person is better the future is better. The way the program is based on personal experiences in order to drive home the point. I like this way. I appreciate the excellent communication skills and great vocabulary of the instructors. I like the way the trainer began the session and steered it towards the topic of discussion was very candid, and it is an amazing skill. And through the conversation they made me understand that how effectful it is. So I have found this program very useful and informative, like teachers, like professors like us who are newly recruited. Thanks a lot. I would like to thank the whole team of Ramanujan College. Thanks a lot for creating such useful videos and study materials. Thanks a lot again.